दूध है wonderful, पी सकते हो रोज a glass of full दूध. Hey guys, it's Mishty and welcome back to my YouTube channel, MISHTY'S, Savour, Gracias. As we all know that beetroot is as healthy as milk. Today I will be showing you how to make a delicious beetroot halwa with the combination of milk and beetroot. So let's get started. Now the ingredients that we require for making our beetroot halwa are 1.5 cups of beetroot, 1¼ cup of milk, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds, 2 tablespoons of ghee and a pinch of salt. Now we'll first roast our almonds. For that we'll add our ghee in the pan. Now ghee is melted, we'll add our almonds and roast them. Now our almonds are roasted and almonds in a separate bowl. Now in our same ghee we'll add our beetroot. Let's roast it for a few minutes and we'll add our milk then. Now let's just add our milk. Now we'll cook it till the beetroot leaves the sides of the pans. Now let's close it with the lid till all the milk evaporates. And also stir it frequently so that the beetroot doesn't stick to the side of the pan. Beetroot has many health benefits, no doubt, but also I love its color. It's very pinky. Now let's add our sugar. And mix it. Now let's just add a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. Now our beetroot halwa is ready. Now we'll add our green cardamom and our roasted almonds and we'll mix it together. So now it's ready. So guys, finally our beetroot halwa is ready. Now let me taste it. So guys, I just ate beetroot halwa and it was delicious. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and like, share and follow me on Instagram and hit the bell icon to get more such interesting recipes. Bye, see you next time.